Hi, my name is Jessica Redline, and today's date is September 15th, 2019. I'm going to be going over the different types of tissues found in our body. First off is epithelial tissue, which is the tissues that cover all exposed surfaces of the body. They are closely bound cells to one another through tight junctions. They are free from blood vessels, nerves, and supported by connective tissue. Epithelial tissue protects against abrasion, radiation damage, and invasion of pathogens. Epithelial tissue can be found on our external skin, the lining of our inner mouth, our digestive tract, and secretory glands. Next one is connective tissue, which are groups of tissues that work together to maintain the form of the body and its organs. It aids in internal support, and there are several types of connective tissue. There's fibrous connective tissue, which is cartilage, and then there's bone, adipose. Blood is also considered a type of connective tissue, and then there's hemopoietic and lymphatic. Um, these different types of connective tissue, some are solid and strong, and then some can be elastic and fibrous or fluid and flexible. An example of the connective tissue could be our nose. Connective tissue can be found in our nose, our ears, and that's examples of cartilage. Next one is muscle tissue, which is specialized tissue. And it functions by contracting. Um, Out of all the tissues, this one is the most abundant. It consists of fibers of muscle cells connected together in sheet-like consistency, and the fibers come together to control movements throughout the body. They also help with contraction. Its function is to move bones, compress chambers, and squeeze various organs. A type of muscle tissue that I wanted to talk about was the heart. Like it's saying how it aids to compress organs together, just like the heart. It opens and closes like this to beat. It's surrounded by muscle tissue to pump blood in and out through the body. So that's an example of muscle tissue. The last one is nervous tissue, which is a group of organized cells found in the nervous system, which is located in the organ system, and it also helps to control body movements, and it sends signals to different parts of the body. There's two categories. There's neurons and neuralgia, and the neurons transmit electrical impulses, while the neuralgia, if I'm saying it right, help to support and protect the neurons. In doing so, its function is to make up the nervous system, um, which ultimately um, it leads to helping out with a lot of things within the body. So, by helping make up the nervous system, it helps become responsible for body movement, involuntary and voluntary, digestion, heart rate, a lot of stuff that we don't think about. Um, our body is just doing on its own and with the help of the nervous tissue. And an example of the nervous tissue, it can be found in our brain and our spinal cord. And that completes my video for this week. Thank you.